The old money cut isn't just a hairstyle, it's a statement of class, tradition, and effortless sophistication. This look has roots in classic European style, exuding an aura of quiet confidence and refined taste. If you want a haircut that says, "I belong to the elite," without trying too hard, this is the one for you. Imagine walking into a wedding reception or a high-end cocktail party. This cut ensures you not only fit in, you stand out. The old money cut features neatly tapered sides and a slightly longer top. The top is kept just long enough to allow versatility in styling. You can comb it back, part it to the side, or leave it slightly tousled for a relaxed weekend look. The sides are cleanly trimmed to maintain a crisp, well-groomed appearance. This combination gives off an air of meticulousness and sophistication, perfect for men who value elegance. 1. Start fresh. After washing your hair, towel dry it until it's damp but not dripping wet. 2. Product choice. Apply a lightweight pomade or a grooming cream. Avoid heavy gels. This look is all about subtle shine and natural flow. 3. Styling technique. For a classic look, use a comb to sweep the hair back or to the side. For a modern twist, use your fingers to add a slight texture for a relaxed vibe. 4. Finishing touch. Use a small amount of hairspray to maintain hold without stiffness. 1. Weddings. Whether you're the groom, a groomsman, or a guest, this hairstyle ensures you look refined and charming, drawing attention effortlessly. 2. Business meetings and conferences. Project confidence and authority in professional settings. This cut communicates that you're serious, polished, and ready to lead. 3. Cocktail parties and formal events. Perfect for upscale gatherings where style and sophistication are key. You'll stand out with an air of understated elegance. 4. Romantic dates. Impress your date with a hairstyle that shows you care about the details. It suggests confidence and class, traits that never go unnoticed. 5. Graduations and award ceremonies. Mark special milestones with a hairstyle that exudes maturity, success, and timeless grace. The old money cut works because it's timeless. It doesn't rely on trends, making it suitable for any decade. It whispers sophistication rather than shouting for attention. The secret of this hairstyle is that it suggests you come from a background where style is second nature. This haircut isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling like you belong to a legacy of style and grace. Imagine this scenario. You walk into a room, your hair perfectly styled in an old money cut. People notice, not because you're flashy, but because you look put together. Women appreciate the attention to detail, men respect the confidence. It's subtle, yet powerful. This is the haircut that makes people think, who is he? What's his story? Regular trims. Visit your barber every 3 to 4 weeks to keep the sides sharp and the top at the right length. Daily grooming. Spend just 5 minutes each morning styling your hair. This small effort pays off in an all-day polished look. Healthy hair. Use a high-quality shampoo and conditioner to keep your hair healthy and manageable. Wardrobe. Classic pieces like tailored suits, dress shirts, and cashmere sweaters. Accessories. A silver watch, leather dress shoes, and subtle cufflinks. Fragrance. Opt for woody, musky scents to complement the refined vibe. The old money cut doesn't just give you style, it makes you embody sophistication. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more style inspiration.